Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. It is the funniest musical I've ever done because it has a lot of humor. This is how Toño Casado described Sueños el Musical, his new work presented yesterday morning to the press in Madrid. The author of musicals such as 33 and Crux assured that the new musical offers captivating songs and an exciting staging. The result is a musical that makes you laugh and cry, a roller coaster of emotions, he acknowledged. Most of the actors and actresses who are part of the musical's cast participated in the presentation, a smaller cast than other times, because they are thinking in a very active and very surprising way about the staging, explains to Casado again. The Salesian family of northeast Brazil in celebrating Don Bosco is among us. With this spirit, the Salesians of Recife welcomed the visit of Cardinal Angel Fernandes Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, to the San Luís Gonzaga province of Brazil, Recife, BRE. Having landed on the afternoon of Tuesday, 30th of January at the International Airport of Recife, the Church of the Good Jesus of Juazeiro do Norte, the awarding of the posthumous qualification of Salesian Cooperator to the servant of God Father Siqueiro Romão Batista, the inspectorial feast and the meeting with young people. On 31st January, the Salesian family in North Vietnam gathered at the Don Bosco Van Phu community to celebrate the feast of Don Bosco and study the Strena 2024. The event was also attended by the Regional Councillor for East Asia Oceania, Father Joseph Nguyen Thin Phuc, who presided at the Mass. In his homily, the councillor brought the greetings and encouragement of Cardinal Angel Fernandes Artime, Rector Major, and all the general councillors, and recalled the missionary journey of the first Salesians who arrived in Vietnam in 1952. The presentation of Strena 2024 was then entrusted to Father Tran Van Hau, provincial delegate of the North Vietnam delegation. After the presentation, the participants were divided into 4 groups to share their experiences and dreams. In recent days, communication and journalism students from the Salesian Institute of Siliguri and the Don Bosco School in Uldabari in the nearby district of Jalpaiguri joined together to produce short radio plays, a genre of radio drama, to create awareness about the Sustainable Development Goals. A team of 6 students has already recorded the first episode focusing on Goal 16, Peace, Justice and Strong Institutions. The program will then be officially launched on February 13th on the occasion of World Radio Day and will be broadcast on Salesian Radio 90.8 FM, the first university community radio station in northern Bengal and the entire northeast of India. The Salesian Family Youth Center of Boyle Heights, under the leadership of Juan Carlos Montenegro and Luis Chacon, received recognition as Small Business of the Year by the Los Angeles Chamber of Commerce Angeles. This prestigious recognition highlights the organization's commitment to excellence and involvement in the Boyle Heights community. The Salesian Center has long collaborated with the Chamber of Commerce with initiatives aimed at improving the lives of less fortunate young people. This award recognizes their commitment and is intended to inspire other small businesses to actively engage with local non-profit organizations to make a positive impact on the community. Viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.